Hello my friends, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own all-in-one electronics components tester, also known with LCR meter. Here I have a components tester that I have brought online for about $50 and can test almost all components like MOSFETs, transistors, LEDs, capacitors, resistors, inductors, and the best part, it will show you the type of components, pinouts and other necessary details. And in this video I will show you how you can make same components tester yourself with just few couple of dollars. All you need is a microcontroller, but to keep it easy, I used a Arduino Nano that comes with a Mega 328P chip installed. Also you need a 0.96-inch OLED display with I2C interface. I first begin by designing a simple circuit diagram with Arduino Nano that is interfaced with the OLED display. Also few resistors are used with digital pins to test connector. And a push button is used to initiate the testing of each component. Then I converted the circuit diagram into the PCB. To avoid messing up with components on pref board, I ordered the PCBs from JLC PCB. You will get high quality PCBs, 5 pieces for just $2. Now let's prepare the PCB for the components. So, let's place all these components according to the circuit diagram. You can find all the files PCB and circuit diagram link is in video description. After completing the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl, and our PCB is looking nice and clean. Take this OLED display and insert into its connector. Now take Arduino Nano, and connect it with the computer after installing Arduino IDE software. Download this code from the video description, and make sure all these libraries are installed. Then simply click on Upload, to upload the code. After compiling, upload is done. Now connect the Arduino in its connectors. And add this push button cap if available. Before testing, let me tell you that you can order to manufacture the same PCB. Go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLC PCB website. JLC PCB provides easy, affordable, and reliable PCB and PCBA solutions, empowering electronic engineers to develop projects efficiently. Just upload your GBR file here to get instant quote and order in minutes. It is easy as online shopping. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. JLC PCB offers the 6-layer PCB in affordable prices and with attractive cost-effective discounts. A 6-layer PCB has additional 2 layers compared to the standard 4-layer PCB. The stacking technique reduces the electromagnetic interference and improves the performances of the electronics. Not only this, JLC PCB offers free wire-in pads to optimize routing efficiency, with cost-effective prices without compromising on quality, and delivers in fast turnaround time. Now back to the project. Our all-in-one components tester is ready to test all these components. Just use a mobile charger with mini B-type cable, and connect it into the Arduino jack, and here our circuit is powered up. Now let's start the testing with different LEDs. As you can see, it shows forward voltage, and different LEDs has different forward voltage. Green LED has 2.7 volt forward voltage. And blue LED has about 2.9 volt forward voltage. Now let's test this transistor. As you can see, it shows type of transistor, pinouts and other necessary details. Same with MOSFETs, it shows type of MOSFET, pinouts and other details. As you can see, it shows whether this is N channel or P channel. You can also test triacs too. This circuit can also test capacitors, both electrolyte and polyester capacitors. Also, resistors and inductors can be tested. As you can see, this tester is working great and shows necessary information of each component. If any component is not working or not connected, it will show you this error message. You can also use this hookup wires, and can hook to test the bigger components. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.